Welcome to my channel Fiscal Voyage. I'm Felix, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about my dividend income and my passive income that I received throughout the month of May. So I received almost $2,000 of complete passive income for the entire month of May, and I'm going to show you how exactly all that money came from. But first, if this is the first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified of other videos coming up. I like to do videos of stock analysis. I provide fair value prices and a recommendation of either buy, hold, or sell. This same process is how I was able to accumulate this much money in passive income, almost $2,000 for the month of May. So here's a post I did today in my passive income for May 2020. As you can see here, my taxable account, which is my TD Ameritrade account, came in at $1,107.05. My retirement account, which is my Roth IRA account, came in at $121.07. This is my Roth IRA account. Don't put money into this. I did in the beginning when I first started, but now I just let it compound. And my rental income, which came in at $750. So in total, I had $1,978.12 in total passive income for May. So I keep a record of all my my passive income, my dividend income, my rental income, my Roth IRA, retirement account, dividends as well. So I keep a spreadsheet. So first off, as you can see here, I've started investing in 2013, and my first dividend came in August at $2.66. This was actually from Real to Income. Ticker symbol O. I still hold it to this day and bought more shares recently. But this was my first dividend, and as you can see, for the year of 2013, I had a dividend total income of $220. But I continue investing and reinvesting the dividends and investing new money into the stock market. As you can see, it steadily grow each year my dividend income. I've had a total income since 2013 of $30,000 for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 7 years, 8 years of growing my portfolio. I've increased total income of $30,000. And for May, you can see some of the companies that that sent dividends to me. April was Apple, or May was Apple, AbbVie, AMP, BNY, BTI, Caterpillar. So these are some of the companies that send the dividends to me. And of course, I reinvest them into my portfolio. And so total in May, as you can see, I get $1,107.05. And you can see here the year-over-year growth was 52%, where last year in May I received $725. And this growth is mostly from purchasing more shares. Some too is the reinvesting of dividends, but most of it is from purchasing, new shares. I technically or mostly spend around $3,000 or $4,000 a month buying more shares of different companies. Those are my instead of using my money to buy things or go out and do stuff, I'm very frugal, and I'm saving $3 to $4,000 a month so I can invest all of that into the stock market, and that's why my income grows every year with the dividends. And then last month I also increased it by 52%. The month before, 26%. January only had a small increase of 1.59% from 2019, which is okay. But I expect, as you can see here, April, which is the same company as I paid in January, I increased it by 52%. So that's great. So next year, January, is going to be much higher, probably around $800, $900. And if we look at my rental income, I keep track of this as well. You can see here for the months, I actually increased my rate from $700 to $750 for the year or every month. On December, you see here $600 is because for December, it's kind of my gift to my tenant. I give him a $100 discount, so he just pays me $600 for the month, and then he could use that $100 for whatever for December. December tends to be an expensive month for everyone, so that's my like Christmas gift to him. But it's been $700 for the past 3 years, so I increased it for this month or January this year by $50. So he's been paying at $750 each month. My Roth IRA, as you can see here, May came in at $121.07, which is almost a 15% increase versus 2019 May, which had $105. So here's some of the companies that I own. Some of the same companies I own in my Roth IRA, I own in my taxable account, the TD Ameritrade account. But this here, as you can see, this was mostly from these companies. I also own some index funds in Vanguard. So they've been paying out. So I started actually investing in 2012 and then started dividend investing in August of 2013. So I was putting a lot of my money in Roth IRA because that was the right way to do it. But after I learned, you can't retire really early with Roth IRA accounts. You could take out that money, but you're going to have to reinvest it, right? So that's why I started dividend investing and a traditional or a taxable account so that I could retire off that money. So I've been investing since 2012, and as you can see here, in total in my retirement account, I made 16 grand in income. This is not including capital appreciation. So I do have capital appreciation in all of my accounts. And here you can see a nice chart of from the year 2014 to 2020. You can see it grows very fast. March, for example, tends to be the biggest month, March and December. And you can see it starts slow, but then it starts jumping, right? So that's why starting off is pretty slow, the compounding, but after 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, it starts to really take off, and then you start making $1,000 a month in dividend income. So as you can see, here's one. It was very slow for the first 4 years. So 148, 100, 146, it went down, 165, 190. It was for 4 years. It was less than $200 a month. In this looks like October, and then it starts to jump, boom. And then this year I'm expected to make almost $1,000 for the month of October. So you can see how it really takes time to build that. So always be consistent with this because it's going to take time to grow that dividend income. So there you have it. I've made almost 2 grand for the month of May. That income is continuing to grow. I think I'm gonna make almost 2,300, 400 for this month of June. So I'm very excited about that. But remember, it takes time. I've been investing since 2013, and just now it really starting to pick up. So I'm excited for this year and next year and the years after that. This is where the snowball continues to grow and grow and grow much faster. So again, if this is the first time visiting the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Tomorrow I'm going to post a new video of the Dividend Aristocrats, which is a companies that have been growing dividends for 25 consecutive years. And I do stock analysis on each of those companies. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow.